He was the most powerful man alive, Emperor of Rome, commander of the largest army the world had ever seen. And every morning, before anyone else was awake, Marcus Aurelius sat alone and wrote in his journal, not battle plans, not laws. He wrote reminders to himself about how to be a decent human being. Those private notes survived almost 2,000 years. We call them the Meditations, and honestly, they read like they were written this morning. Here are 5 ideas from Marcus Aurelius that can genuinely upgrade your day. Some things are within our power, and some things are not. The weather, other people's opinions, traffic, the economy. You control none of that. Your response, your effort, your attitude, that's yours. Next time you feel frustrated, ask, is this within my control? If not, let it pass. If yes, act on it. Marcus started each day expecting difficulty. He wrote, "Today I will meet people who are ungrateful, arrogant, and dishonest. But I will not be surprised. When you expect things to be hard, you don't fall apart when they are. You're free to respond with patience instead of shock." Marcus loved zooming out. He wrote about the vastness of time, the billions of people who lived before and will live after. Look at the stars and feel your own smallness, all that pressure you feel to be perfect, to impress everyone. The universe doesn't care. And once you really absorb that, it's strangely liberating. Do what's essential. Most of what fills your to-do list doesn't actually matter. Marcus governed an empire and still found time to think. His secret was ruthless prioritization. Cut the noise. Do fewer things with more intention. The Stoics called this Memento, Mori. If today were your last day, would you waste it complaining? Would you scroll for 3 hours? Marcus didn't use this idea to scare himself. He used it to prioritize. Every moment is borrowed time. Act like it. Marcus Aurelius was emperor for 19 years. He fought wars, managed plagues, and dealt with betrayal. Through all of it, he returned to the same principles every morning. These aren't ancient relics, they're tools, and they work as well in your apartment as they did in a Roman palace. Follow for more wisdom from the thinkers who shaped history and can still change your day.